The Y6 is in the building. One of my friends is also in the building. Juni ROG. Hey, Juni, check him out.
If I'm dime tonight, I'm doing my things. First, I would apologize with mommy. I won't say goodbye, but good luck to my homies. I'll kiss my wife, carrying flowers to my grandpa grave in the jar. I'll see you again tonight. It's gonna be part of my speech. If I had, I will hold my kids. I give the best advice for a man to be. If you can't sweep the streets, just do it. Like Galileo did, like Michelangelo did, like Da Vinci did. It's just advice if I know man. Just follow my dream for being a better man. This is it. And this is how I had to be. I'm just your dad and you, my masterpiece. I would cry, oh yeah. Talking to mom about the son I was. About things I always wanted to give. Wanted to live, wanted to teach, wanted to show. Wanted for me, wanted for you, wanted for them, wanted for us. I got the my stuff, getting ready for